Hi. So now let us see outer joints. So this is one of the very important and logically good topic actually. So definitely in the interviews, you are going to have question from this part also. Okay. So guarantee question in the especially in the interviews, and of course if it is a written test is that definitely will be there. Okay. Now let us try to understand this one with the simple examples and with implementation. Okay. So what is outer join? So here you can see the SQL outer join returns all rows from the both participating tables, which satisfy the join condition. So we have a normally join condition, right? So that will be there. Along with that, the rows which are satisfying join condition, that obviously will be there in the output. And at the same time, along with those rows which do not satisfy the join condition, the rows which are not satisfying the join condition also will be there in the output. How it will be, how you can implement, let us go further. So we have total three types of joins, outer joins especially. The first one is left outer join or simply left join, and right outer join or simply right join, and full outer join. So let us try to observe these three one by one. So it is very easy to understand. So let us try to understand actually. Left outer join, if you see, left join specified with the keyword left join, and you are going to have a on. Okay, let it be. We will understand easily. Joins two tables. Normally it will joins, fetches all matching rows of two tables for which SQL expression is true. That means we are putting a condition, the rows which are satisfying the condition all coming in the output. That is obviously one thing. Plus, along with that, the rows from first table that do not satisfy any row in the second table. So that we will try to understand with a simple example. So you can see here, first of all, I'm going to take a student table here, and another table is course. If I join these two tables with a left join, the left table is student, right table is course. So let us see that syntax. So this is what table one, table two, table one dot column on operator. You can observe here left join, that is the keyword for left outer join on these two tables, and on, that means condition you are applying on keyword actually after on keyword. So here from the table one column name, from the table two column name, you are putting a condition. Fine. So whoever satisfying these two, this condition, those columns, those rows coming in the output, plus because it is left join, left side whatever table is there, from that table whoever not satisfying the condition, those columns are also, those rows are also coming in the output. So it is simply like this actually. See, this condition satisfying rows means this part actually. So especially this one, this part, common part of table 1 and table 2, because they are satisfying means those are exist in the both the tables. And along with that, he's saying that plus rows from the first table. So that means this part also coming, the rows which are not satisfied. Suppose on the student and the course, if you apply the left join on the column CID, then this is satisfying here B, here this one and this one. So that you can see in the output. For example, if you apply the left join, so here if I place student, and here if I place a course, what is going to happen? So in this condition correspondingly, for example, alias name S and C, if I take S dot CID equal to C dot CID, then what is going to happen? You can observe here. These four rows are matched rows. That is what this first part, fetching the matching rows. That is what here you can see directly you have that part. So you can see CID ABAC, ABAC, correspondingly ABAC, and their course names you got. Then these two rows are not satisfying the condition. those are also coming in the output. Observe that student is the left table. Student is the left table. So from the left table, so you can see the rows from the first table, that means left table, that do not match any row in the second row. So these are not satisfying actually the condition, but still they are coming. But the one thing you have to observe is whatever data you have unmatched rows, that data as it is you have in the output, but because these columns are also there in the output, correspondingly, you are going to have null values automatically. For unmatched rows, in the right side columns, right side table columns, under the right side table columns, you are automatically going to have null values. Let us see this with a simple demo actually. So if you observe, select the star from EMP, our regular tables if you take, this is what here if you observe, let us observe DEPT table also especially, then we can discuss. Select star from DEPT. So if you understand left outer join, right outer join, obviously opposite to that. See 10, 20, 30, 40 only you have as a department numbers. So 10, 20, 30, 40 only have. But now if you observe the EMP table, so in the EMP table, if you see output part, see here there are two rows which are not within this 10, 20, 30, 40 department numbers. So Roberto and Sergey, their department numbers are 50 and 60. So these two department numbers not exist in the DEPT table. Now what I am doing is select a star from EMP E left outer join DEPT D. Now I am putting a condition on E dot DEPT number equal to D dot DEPT number. Now what is going to happen? Whoever satisfies this condition, those rows will come. Definitely out of these 16 records, 14 records will satisfy that condition. 14 will come plus these two also will come in the output. Let us observe by running this one. So if I run this, you can see. So you can see here. Now in the output, see these 14 records from here to here. Okay. So all rows came actually in the output. But when you come to last two rows, this and this, okay, 50 and 60 no match with any one of DEPT table actually, right side table. So at that time, what happened? That data also came in the output. But correspondingly under the DEPT table columns, you have a null values. That is what you must observe. This is also matter actually. Okay, so this observation is really, really very, very important. Okay, so that is what from the table to unmatched rows you are not going to have. That is what this blank part, this part. Matched rows, unmatched rows are coming from the left side table in the output. Okay. If left outer join is clear, understanding right outer join is very simple. That let us observe. So right outer join simply opposite to that. Of course, matched rows are coming in the output. Fetches all matched rows from the two tables, fine. Along with that, plus rows from the second table, that means right table, right side table, do not match any row in the first table. So let us observe with the same example. So here now, A, B, C. From the left table, A is there, B is there, C is there. But D and E are not used, not taken by any student. So at that time, you can see first of all keyword is right join or right outer join and on. So now same thing here, student we are using and here course we are using. So then you can see now matched rows and unmatched rows from the right side table. right side table is course. So if you see the output, so you can see as usually these four satisfying the condition. Now these two not matched with any of the rows in the student table actually. So those are also coming in the output you observe. Correspondingly, under the left table columns, you have a null values. So the same thing let us observe with EMPT, DEPT. So let us take the same query with a little change. What we are doing here is just replace left with right outer join. Now what is going to happen? You guess that. First of all, if I run this one, you have to guess that if I run this one, 10, 20, 30, 40, that is fine. Now observe EMP table actually. So in the EMP table, if you observe, 10 is there, 20 is there, 30 is there, 50, 60 is there. 50, 60, of course, not there in the DEPT table. You can observe here. Okay. But there is no employee under 40th department. That is unmatched row from the right side table in this query. Is it or not? Right side table is what? DEPT. So right side table DEPT, one unmatched row is there. That should come in the output. Okay. So you can see. So you can see here 40 is also came in the output. 40 is also came in the output. But observe one more thing, 50, 60 under EMP table not came in the output. Unmatched rows from the left side, anyhow it will eliminate. But from the right side table, unmatched rows definitely will come in the output. So 40 not matched with any row. So that came in the output. And correspondingly here, if you observe, under the left side table columns, you have the null values. So this is the one important observation you must have. Okay. So that is why if left join is clear, right join obviously you can understand easily actually. Okay. Now let us go for the full outer join actually. So this is left outer join and right outer join. Now let us see full outer join. You can guess that full outer join combines the result of both left and right outer joins, returns all matched and unmatched rows from the both the tables. So this you can guess how it is going to return the output. So you can take student and course. So you can see full outer join. Okay. So this is what the output actually. So this part is matched part based on the condition whatever you are putting here. And this is from the left side unmatched rows and from the right side table unmatched rows. Okay. So if you observe the output here, this part is matched section. And this part is from the left side table. From left table actually. And this part is from right side table. Is it or not? From right side table, unmatched. So all together coming in the output. Okay. So this let us observe in the MySQL. So here you see one simple thing. For example, if I give left outer, right outer, now full outer, if I run this query, of course, first of all, you can observe here underline red mark. So let us see. So the actual thing is you don't have direct implementation of full outer join in the MySQL. So for that, how you can achieve is, okay, that you can see. So full outer join, how you can implement is, you can see here. Okay. We are going to take left outer join. And we are going to take right outer join. So that tables from left side, rows from the left side matched and unmatched. Same time, this query is giving right side matched, unmatched. But matched rows from both the tables, both the queries is same. So what you are doing is you are applying in between these two queries union operator. Then matched rows from the left, right are same. So two duplicates will be there. It will automatically eliminate, union operator automatically eliminate. Along with that, unmatched from the left outer join will match, will add at the end, and unmatched rows from the right outer join is also going to add. So if I run this whole query, let us observe the full outer join. So if you see this output, so if you see this output, especially, see these first 14 rows, matched actually from both the queries. So it eliminated duplicates. Now if you come to this part, this is from where actually, this is from where left outer join. From the left outer join, it is added at the end, and this last row is from the right outer join. So you see both the unmatched records from the both the tables you have in the output. So to have more better idea, I'm just giving union all action. Union all will do what actually? Here 14 records are matched. So 14 records matched is there from the first output from left outer join, and here also 14 is there. 14, 14, 28 plus this unmatched 3. So 31 records is going to return if you apply union all actually, because union all operator is not going to eliminate duplicates. So that is why you can see, first of all, 31 rows are returned. Okay, so 31 rows are returned, how and all? So in this way actually. So here you can see this is from right outer join, this row, and these two rows are from left outer join, this and this, and you have a repeated duplicate rows. So if you remove all, then automatically it will eliminate duplicates actually. Okay, that is what we seen earlier. Okay, now you can see 17 rows are returned. So 14 are matched, 2 from left, 1 from right. So 14 plus 2 plus 1, 17. Okay, so this is what full outer join. There are many applications in real time, and especially in the interview, there is no interview without asking questions from these outer joins, left, right, full outer join. Okay,